You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.
So now let's start with the next lab. In this lab, we'll be preparing our environment to accept Exchange Server 2019 installation. So first things first, on my NITA ADDS01 machine, I'll mount the Exchange Server 2019 CU14 ISO here. So I'll go to cd/dvd SATA on the virtual machine settings, click on Browse, and select the Exchange Server 2019 CU14 ISO here. Click on OK. Then, once it is mounted, it will be mounted on the D drive that I can see here. This is my D drive, as you can see. That's all I need for this. I'm not running anything related to the setup here. I'm just running a few prerequisite commands. So I can open my Windows PowerShell. Now, no need to open it as the administrator or anything, because you are already the administrator. Now, in case you don't realize that you're the administrator, all you can do is, you can just type in who am I, and it will give you who you are. So that's one thing. So I navigate to D : and enter. Now, I'm going to run 3 commands. The first one will prepare the schema. The second one will prepare the Active Directory, and the third one will prepare all the domains in my Active Directory. And I'm just going to run these commands one after the other. Now, all of these 3 commands have to say completed. Everything should be completed. It should not say failed. In case it says failed, just run the command again. Do not try to proceed ahead with your installation in case it is failing. Remember that. So I'll just wait for this command to complete, and I'll run the next 2 commands as well in the same sequence, and then we will look at the end result. So at this point, all 3 of my commands have completed successfully. And now with this done, the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to install one more prerequisite. And that prerequisite is going to be from the Visual C++ 2013. For that, I'll mount another ISO called the Microsoft 365 Hybrid Deployments ISO. Now, in my case, that is the name of the ISO because I do have the ISOs in an older format. You might have a different one. So it's okay if you see the name differently, but all you need to remember is that you need to run the Visual C++. Now, in my case, I already have it installed. Because I was testing something out and it is working, but I can uninstall it and I can reinstall it again here. I agree to license terms and install. You don't have to do all of this. Just remember that this is just an extra step that I'm doing personally. Now, after all of this is done, go to your server manager, click on ADSI edit, and you can see my ADSI edit actually has a lot of things already here. But let us say I click on connect to, and under the select a well-known naming context, I select configuration, click on OK, expand the configuration, expand services, and under services I'll see Exchange Server, Microsoft Exchange, and I'll see the NITA Exchange 19 and all the things under it. And that is just a verification that all the things were installed or all the things were set up properly. Everything that was necessary is here. And that is also the end of this lab here. So thank you, and I'll see you in the next lab.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.